Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over some of the formulas available to you within Excel to create dates, extract dates, and to measure the number of days between dates. Let's get right into it. So let's start with the today's date formula. Today's date as I'm recording is December 20th, 2024. So what we can do in our cell is equals today, and all we have to do is press open bracket and close bracket. We don't have to add anything in between our brackets for this formula. Once we're done, we can press enter and it will return the day that your computer is set for. One thing to know though, once you close this workbook and you open this workbook again, it will change that date based on the day that you open it. So if I open it in 2 days, it will change that date because it's a live formula to 2 days from now. If you don't want it to change and you want to keep it as a static date, all you have to do is copy it and paste the values of that date. The next formula that we will go over is the duration. So if we have two different dates, so we have a start date and we have an end date, we can calculate how many days are between our start and end date. Simply by writing equals days, open our bracket, and we will start with our end date, comma, start date. Close your bracket, enter. And now it's telling us there are 9 full days between January 1st and January 10th, 2024. And once we copy this down, it will apply that calculation to all of our dates that we have on screen. Now let's say we want to understand what day of the week it is we're starting each of our projects on. We can say equals weekday, open our bracket. Our serial number is just our first date, comma. So we have 7 days of the week within our week. So we've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And depending on how you count your weeks, you may want to add Sunday as your first day. You may want to add Monday as your first day, or if your shift starts on a Wednesday or a Thursday, you may want your week to start there. For now, let's go with Sunday starting as our first day of the week. And so because of that, I will press 1. Once I close that, we will see that January 1st, 2024 landed on the second day of the week, which means in the instance that I've selected, it was a Monday. Now coming into our day, month, and year. Sometimes we just want to extract the day, month, or year from any of our dates. So what we can do is equals day, open bracket, choose our date, close bracket. If I copy this down, we can see that it's only extracted the numerical date of the date that we've selected. We can do the same for month and year. Equals month, here, close, and drag this down. And now we can see that it's saying it's the first month, which is January, the second month, which is February, third month, which is March, fourth, which is April. And we can do the same for the year. And just like that, we've been able to extract the day, month, and year from our specific dates that we selected. Let me know in the comments what other formulas you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I'll see you next time.